We're going to have some more fun with triangles, and this time we're going to try and make them rotate. Now, rotate means to turn around. So, first of all, again, we need some coordinates for a triangle. I like using orange and blue. Let me start with blue this time. So, some numbers are going to be positive and some numbers are going to be negative. So, let me have a -2 there and a -1 here and a -3. I'll have two negative numbers together there. And then I'm going to have some positive numbers. Let me have a 4 and a 5 and a 6. Okay, let's see what happens. So what we're going to do here, and listen very carefully with this one because it's quite, not too tricky, but you just need to be careful about it. We're going to do two things with the numbers. We're going to swap the coordinates over. So if you watch me do the first one, and then you can try yours. Yours might be different again, of course, but just watch this one. The -2 goes over here, and the -3 goes here, but that's not it finished, so just keep watching. What we're going to do now is change the sign of the first coordinate. Now my first coordinate is negative, so I'm going to bring my rubber in here and rub that minus sign out. So it's now been changed from negative to positive. Do you get the idea? So we do the same with the other ones. We're going to swap the numbers over, and then we're going to change the sign from negative to positive of the first coordinate, or from positive to negative. So there's my first one. That's swapped over, and again, because that first one is negative, I'm going to rub out the negative there, and then go back to my pen, and I'm going to do the last one, swap them over, and this time my first coordinate is positive, so I need to change the sign, which means I need to change it to negative. Okay, let's see what happens on the diagram. So first of all, change back to my first color and plot my first triangle. Back to down 3 in my case. Remember that you have to go the correct way, and it's always the across first and then the down. My next one takes me across and then down, and my next one takes me across and up, and I'm going to get a line. So where's my ruler? And I'm going to join that triangle together. See what happens. Okay. It's quite fun not knowing what shape the triangle is going to be, what kind of triangle it's going to be. All right, now we want the orange pen, and let's see what happens to it. So do we get it to rotate? We have to go, in my case, across 3 down 2, which is here. Oh, I think I've still got my ruler. Let me go back to my pen. That's my first one. The next one is across 1 and up 4. Again, yours might be different to mine, so you do whatever your numbers tell you. Back, and then, in my case, up. Oh, no, that's not right. It's over there I want to go. And then, once I've got my dots in place, I'm going to get my ruler and join my lines together. And let's see what happens here. And there is my new shape. And yes, it looks like it has rotated. Okay, if we show what's happened to it, it started over here and it's rotated around that way, which is anti-clockwise. So we've had success here because, as we hoped, our triangle is rotated anti-clockwise.